Hello, in this video I am going to show you what is the push button. I have two push buttons here, and yes, each push button have two separatable parts, and the key parts and the main parts. I can separate them by this way, just turn half and separate them. So by this way I can connect the push button to the boards and this kind of stuff. Just there is a bolt here, and I can turn it, turn it, and after that put the push button on the hole and turn the bolt back to hold the push button on the boards. By this way, yes, there's a plastical bolt here, and there's a metal ones too. So I can put them back to each other, just push them to each other and just turn half. Each push button have two keys, start and stop, and there is a start, and yeah, there is a stop too. We have terminals, start and stop, primary and secondary one. There is a start ones and there is a stop one, primary stop and secondary stop of terminals. So I can connect two push button to each other too. Just separate one of them and connect the main parts of each other together. The main parts have male and female connectors, and I can connect them to each other. Just push them to each other and turn just half round by this way. Yes, now connect and turn. Yes, there now I am connecting to push button, so I have two start and two stop. There's a stop one, and remember that it's some severe to pressure too. There is a start terminals, primaries, and there is a secondaries too. So I can connect the wire to these connectors. Just turn bolt, connect the wire between two metal parts by this way. Yes, and just turn the bolt back to connect the wire to the push button. Remember that make it frame and safe. Yes, now I can connect secondary terminals too. I like to choose red wire for my secondary one because it helped me to have a better understand for my circuits, and it helped me to understand circuit better. It's my personal experience. Just this way, put the wire to between two metal parts and turn bolt back. Now I have connect two wire to my terminals, and I can make this way for my primary start too, and I can connect them to red wire to secondary terminals, and black wire to primary starts. I can put it back to the separate push button too. Just connect the key parts to each other. I hope this video will become helpful for you. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Thank you.